accidentally messed up and deleted the footage for my Project Pan update a few days ago, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. This style again, the Too Faced primer, I used a total of 12 times last month, so this is our current update. The Sonia Cachet powder, I used a total of 23 times last month. I took the sifter out, so this is what we're looking at like as of right now. My Pure Mineral 4-in-1 foundation, I do want to finish this up. I did make a lot of progress last month. I used this a total of 13 times, so I think I can finish it probably by July at this point. It really doesn't look like I have a lot left. My Hourglass concealer, my goal is to use this 50 times, and I used it 13 times last month, which means I have 19 uses left, which I feel like I can probably finish in the next 2 to 3 months. My markings are not accurate on this concealer. I can't see through it. Like every once in a while I can kind of get a little bit of a view of where it could be, but this marking is definitely not accurate at all. I also have my Kaja eye trio. I want to use this 50 times. I did use it 12 times this month, which means I have 20 uses left, so I get another 2 to 3 uses before I can roll it out. But here is what we are looking like. We have our shimmer shade, which somebody's finger did dig into it. And finally we have our deepest shade here. I am also trying to either hit pan or use this 50 times for my Marc Jacobs bronzer. I don't think I'm going to hit pan. There's a lot more in this than I thought it would be. So I used it 14 times, which means I have 17 uses left, which means that again, another 2 to 3 months before I roll it out. And finally, my Ulta Mineral Blush. I do want to hit pan or use this 50 times. I did use it 10 times last month, which means I've got 21 uses left, so another 2 to 3 months. I don't see myself hitting pan on this either. Anyway, I don't have a formal update on this either because I just deleted it as I was getting ready to upload it, so this is what we're working with this month. I did want to get this up even though the video quality may not be the best, but I'm excited with the progress. But I am getting to a point where I do have things that I want to roll in to my project, so I'm looking forward to finishing a couple of these off. Anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.